when you identify where you believe you fit in the world. And I have not yet met anyone who is immortal, but for those of us who are mortal, we're going to be, here for a specific time in this form. What would you like to create in your life during that time? And is it creating that legacy? Is it what impact do you want to make? Is it bringing new people into the world? Is it inviting in a partner? Is it sharing life's joys and celebrations as well as challenges together? But to do that, you still can maintain your individuality and you don't need to be trapped or secluded or isolated. You need to be able to get through it enough to invite someone in who wants to be able to help you, who wants to maintain their own individuality and then become something more than each of you individually in that kind of partnership, in that relationship. And yes, creating a little bit of space for that makes the difference. And going to the qualities, what is your goal? What do you want in this precious life? If you understand that clearly, then going through the mountains and piles and storage units of other people's things will get very easy.